And to express the heart of this batch, we invite Luigi Q Commission, an achiever with high honors, for the words of gratitude. A big round of applause.
Good morning to our respected school principal, dedicated teachers, proud parents and guardians, honored guests, and my fellow graduates. Today is a day filled with joy, gratitude, and celebration. As we stand here wearing our graduation caps and gowns, we are reminded of how far we have come. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I am deeply honored to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the people who have helped us reach this very special milestone in our lives. First and foremost, we offer our deepest thanks to Almighty God for the gift of life, wisdom, and strength. Through every challenge, every lesson, and every success, we felt His guidance. He gave us the courage to keep going, especially during times when turning left felt difficult and we doubted ourselves. To our dear parents and families, words are not enough to express how thankful we are. You have been our first teachers, our greatest supporters, and our constant source of love. You woke up early to prepare us for school, help us with our assignments, and encourage us to do our best every single day. You believe in us even when we struggled, and you never gave up on us. This achievement is not ours alone. It is yours too. Thank you for your sacrifices, your patience, and your unconditional love. To our beloved teachers, we are forever grateful for your dedication and passion. You have spent countless hours teaching us, guiding us, and shaping us into better individuals. You taught us how to read, write, and solve problems. But more importantly, you taught us how to be kind, respectful, and responsible. You showed us that learning can be fun and meaningful. Thank you for your patience when we made mistakes, for encouragement when we felt discouraged, and for believing in our potential. We will carry your lessons with us wherever we go. To our school administrators and staff, thank you for creating a safe, welcoming, inspiring environment for us to learn and grow. Your hard work behind the scenes ensured that we had classroom to learn in, activities to enjoy, and opportunities to discover our talents. Because of you, our school became our second home. To our friends and classmates, thank you for making our elementary journey unforgettable. We shared laughter, challenges, group projects, and even moments of nervousness before exams. We help each other, learn from each other, and grow together. The friendship we built here will always have a special place in our hearts. No matter where life takes us, we'll always remember the memories we created together. As graduates, we also take this moment to thank everyone who, in one way or another, became part of our journey. Our relatives, mentors, and community members who supported and inspired us along the way. Your encouragement has helped us become who we are today. As we move forward to a new chapter in our lives, we carry with us the lessons, values, and memories we gained from our elementary years. We may feel excited, nervous, or uncertain about what lies ahead, but we are ready to face the future with courage and determination. We will promise to continue striving for excellence, to work hard, and to make all of you proud. This graduation is not just a celebration of what we have achieved, but also a reminder of the responsibility we have as young individuals to keep learning, to help others, and to make a positive difference in the world. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you to everyone who has guided, supported, and believed in us. We could not have done this without you. Congratulations, class of 2025-2026. We continue to dream big, reach high, and shine brightly wherever we go. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.
Thank you, Luigi.